In this video, we will see how to fix error. There is already a file with the same name in this location on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of issue when transferring your files or folders, then the first and initial workaround is restart your system. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve various major or minor issues on your system. So you must restart your system. And after that, check whether your file transferring error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on start button and choose task manager. Here go to process tab. From the left side menu, go to process and look for the Windows Explorer under processing. Go to Windows search and type Explorer. Select Windows Explorer and choose restart task from the top right corner. Restart your Windows Explorer processing. After that, check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Go to your problematic folder which you are trying to transfer. Right click on it and choose rename. Rename your files and folders which you want to transfer. And after that, check whether your error is resolved or not after renaming. If not, then right click on this problematic folder. Go to Windows search and type disk cleanup. Open disk cleanup. Here select the drive you want to clean up, basically C drive where your program files exist. Click on OK. And under files to delete section, make the check against all these options: temporary internet files, Windows error reports, feedbacks, delivery optimization, recycle bin, temporary files, thumbnails, etc. And finally, click on OK. Are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? Choose delete files. The disk cleanup utility is cleaning up unnecessary files on your machine. After that, close the windows and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on the start button and choose run. In run dialog box, type the command msconfiz. Click on OK. This command will open system configuration windows. Here from the top menu bar, go to services and make the check against option hide all Microsoft services from the bottom left corner, and from the bottom right corner click on disable all. Clean boot your system. Thereafter go to a startup tab from the top menu bar and click on the link open task manager. Task manager window will now open. Here look for any startup apps enabled in your system. Find out enabled startup apps. If any startup apps enabled found, then right click on it and choose disable. So apply this process for all your enabled startup apps. Manually disable all your enabled startup apps in your system. Thereafter, close the task manager windows and finally choose apply and OK to save the changes. Don't forget to restart your system. Your problem will definitely be resolved. That's all.